Ask any teen and they'll tell you they wish their school started later. That's because teens are chronically sleep deprived, not getting enough hours of sleep each night, and part of that is their schools often start pretty early in the morning. That's a problem because the average teen shifts when they would likely go to sleep in terms of their sleep-wake cycle by as much as 2 hours as they enter adolescence. The American Academy of Pediatrics recently recommended that schools consider shifting their start times to 8:30 a.m. or later. The idea is that that would give teens more time for sleep, which has positive health benefits. It can benefit physical health in terms of reducing the rates of obesity. It can benefit mental health in terms of reducing the rates of depression. And it can benefit overall sense of well-being for teens. That's what the scientific evidence suggests today. So this month, in our National Poll on Children's Health, we asked parents of teens 13 to 17 what they thought about the idea of a later school start time. Overall, about 9 out of 10 parents said that their 13 to 17-year-old child has a school that starts classes before 8:30 in the morning. When we asked those parents whether they would favor a shift to a later start time, about half said yes, and about half said no. We also asked parents, if school started later for your teen, what do you think the impact would be? On the positive side, 2 out of 5 parents said, my child is going to sleep longer. 1 out of 5 parents said, maybe my teen is going to have better school performance. On the negative side, 1 out of 5 parents said, you know what, this later school start time could interfere with after-school activities. And 1 out of 7 parents said, this later school start time is going to be difficult for our transportation needs. So when it comes to later school start times, parents in the United States today seem pretty conflicted. About half of parents would be comfortable with a school start time of 8:30 a.m. or later for their teens. The other half would rather leave the school start times where they are, which in 9 out of 10 cases is before 8:30. While some parents see some positives, other parents see some negatives. In other words, this hasn't been decided yet, but based on this latest national poll on children's health, we would recommend that parents get involved with their district's conversations about school start times. Many school districts in many states across the country are already considering this change.